Morning everyone, it's Ed at All Your Cars. We are back with another little gem. Got this 2011 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. It's an E350 CGI, so that's the petrol V6 model. It's the M276 306 bhp model, so it's the later engine, the more reliable one than the M272 I think it is. These don't suffer with fuel pumps, etc. A bit more efficient and just overall much more reliable car. This one's finished in iridium silver. It's got 55,000 miles, 10 services, and it's clearly been very well looked after. It's got the 17-inch 5-spoke alloys, all of which are unmarked. It's got the glass sunroof, the rear sun blinds, front and rear parking sensors with reverse camera. Absolutely clean as a whistle. As you reg to do your checks, this is ULEZ compliant, so if you live in London or one of the ULEZ cities, this will be compliant. It's got the front heated and cooled seats. It's a TV. Really nice bit of kit, very sought after. Most of these that were sold when they were new were diesels. Now obviously with the ULEZ, the petrol ones are becoming more and more desirable. We'll show you inside. We'll begin with the boot. If I can find the key. Wrong button. There we go. Really big boot. All very clean and tidy. Got your genuine set of floor mats there as well, and these do also come with a space saver spare wheel. Got your warning triangle up top. Inside we've got the black perforated leather. We said that it is only perforated in the front because it's only the front seats that are cooled. It is super clean with the ISOFIX, and it's also got the 3-zone climate control, so you've got climatic for the rear passengers as well. Got your rear blinds, of course your rear electric windows. Front seats are the perforated ones because they're the cooled ones. Unfortunately, with perforated leather, the camera does make them look a bit dirty, but I can assure you they are not. They're fully electric with the memory pack and the lumbar support, as you can see there, with your electric windows and folding mirrors. We've got auto lights and wipers, 4-spoke steering wheel with the multifunction. Heated and cooled seats, your rear blinds, your folding headrest and your start-stop button. And I shall just start the car now, so you can see there's no warnings. Nothing nasty. Fuel light works. You can see that there, look. Shining bright for us. But the mileage is 55,216. And as I'm sure you saw, there are no messages. There's nothing to be concerned about. This really is as good as it looks. Over here you've got your radio, CD, navigation, Bluetooth audio, all your bits and bobs to choose from. And I'm fairly confident it's got TV. There you go, with a heartbeat look on ITV3 on a Tuesday morning with green grasses in it. Anyway, enough of that. It's also got navigation and your reverse camera, as you should see in a second. There you go. And that's about it. Very nice car, very sought after, especially with these miles and the sort of service history we've got with it. Please do give us a call on 01509 267 111. We'll get you booked in for a test drive and hopefully into your new car. Thanks for watching.